In today's video, we are going to talk about do updates work for Windows 11 unsupported PC and laptop hardware. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So let's get started. Well, this is my PC health check tool, and here I'll see if my PC is eligible to install Windows 11 or not. So I'll just check now. As you can see, my PC doesn't have TPM 2.0 and my processor is also not compatible to install Windows 11 onto my system. So now, what if I install Windows 11 and will I get all those updates that people would get in Windows 11? Well, I'll see you after installation of Windows 11 on this unsupported hardware. Well, as you can see, I have all those updates coming and I can install those updates into my Windows 11 even though I have the unsupported hardware that is not eligible to install Windows 11. But the question is, do I keep on getting these updates for future? Well, there was concern about this as Microsoft said those people will not be able to get any future updates and they will have more bugs into their Windows 11. Earlier, we did not had any documented proof. Now Microsoft has their official release, and here it is. As it says, if you proceed with installing Windows 11, your PC will no longer be supported and won't be entitled to receive updates. Damages to your PC due to lack of compatibility are not covered under the manufacturer warranty. So now everything is clear. Those people who are getting the Windows updates in their Windows 11 very shortly will not be able to receive any more updates because Microsoft is planning to release some patches that will check if those hardware are eligible to install Windows 11 updates or not. If that patch finds out that hardware is unsupported for Windows 11, updates will not work on those such systems. So that was all about it, and that brings us to the end of today's video. So please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.